In this video, we will discuss about question number 3, exercise 7.1, triangles. What about this question? AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. This is one line segment AB. AD is equal to BC. These two lines are perpendicular to this line segment. It is given in the question. So that CD bisects AB. We want to show what? This line CD is bisecting AB. It means AO equal to BO. This line CD is bisecting AB. It means AO should be equal to BO. We want to prove this one. So how we will prove? Observe. In triangle AOD, AOD and triangle AOD and BOC, we have in triangle AOD, this triangle, and triangle BOC, this one, we have angle AOD equal to, AOD means AOD, this angle equal to angle BOC. Observe, AOD, this angle should be equal to this one, BOC. Why these two angles are equal? AB and CD are two intersecting line. What? AB and CD are two intersecting line, and then the two lines are intersecting, then vertical opposite angles will be equal. So these two are what? Vertically opposite angles. What? Vertically opposite. These two are what? Vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. By observing these two triangles, this angle equal to this one. Why? AB and CD are two intersecting line, and two intersecting lines are having vertically opposite angles will be what? Equal. Clear? Now next thing, DAO, angle DAO, this one, equal to angle CBO, this one, where CBO will be what? 90 degree. DAO, this one, equal to CBO, this one, both are what? 90 degree. It is given in the question. How? AD and BC are equal. Both are perpendicular to line segment. These two lines are perpendicular to this one. These two lines are perpendicular to this line segment. So we can say this angle will be equal to this one, and what? 90 degree. Given in the question. And AD, what? AD equal to BC. Both this side, BC equal to AD, both are equal. It is also given in the question. So three things we obtain for these triangles. So finally we can say triangle AOD is congruent of triangle BOC by angle side congruence rule. Angle side congruence rule. By angle side congruence rule. So we proved by observing two things we are having in the question. AD equal to BC, this side equal to this one, and one more things, both sides are perpendicular to line segment AB, so this angle will be equal to this one, and what, both are perpendicular, this side is perpendicular to this one, means what, this is 90 degree and this is perpendicular to this one, means this is also what, 90 degree. So this angle and this angle equal to 90 degree given in the question, and these two AB and CD are two intersecting line, so vertically opposite angles will be equal. By observing we can say this angle equal to this one. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. So finally we can say angle side congruence rule, both triangle, this triangle is congruent to this one. So these two triangles are congruent, so we can say corresponding parts of these two triangles will be equal. Corresponding parts of these two triangles will be equal. Hence OA equal to OB. Why? By CPCT. What we can say? This side will be equal to this one. Observe again. These two triangles are congruent, so corresponding parts will be equal. So this, for this triangle, this side will be equal to this one by CPCT. So O is bisecting, this equal to this one, it means O is bisecting. O is the midpoint of AB. O is, so OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB implies O is the midpoint. OA is the midpoint of AB. So CD bisects AB. CD bisect AB. Hence proved. Observe again what we are doing in this question. Simple question we are having. AD and BC are equal perpendicular. This side equal to this one given in the question. These two are perpendicular to this one. It means this angle equal to this one. By observing we are getting these are two intersecting lines, so vertically opposite angles will be equal, so this angle will be equal to this one. So finally we can say angle side congruence rules, this triangle is equal to this one, this triangle is congruent of this triangle, this is congruent to this one, so we can say corresponding parts of these triangles will be equal. So this side will be equal to this one, OA equal to OB, so O is the midpoint of AB. So finally we can say CD bisect, it is the midpoint, so CD bisect AB. We proved this one. Simple question. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.